I'm going to exit out of the Try It Now dialog, and let's continue working down the CSS text properties. We already made it through text color here. Let's keep scrolling. All right, we have text alignment, and we can use this in order to align to the center, right, or justify. Left is the default. Right now we're not worrying about the alignment because we're just trying to get the look similar, but pretty soon we'll want to align it to the center to match it up with the mockup. Let's keep scrolling. Next we have text decoration, and down here are the examples. We can use overline, which has a line above the text, line through, which is kind of a strike through, which will create a line through the text, something you would do if you wanted to demonstrate text that has been removed from some document, and underline, which you could use to accentuate certain text. It's also common to set the decoration to none for anchor tags or links, because by default, links have an underline in most browsers. This isn't something we need to add here, so let's keep scrolling. So we have text transformation. And we can see some examples here, uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. So this sounds like something that we need. Right now we have the first letter capitalized, but to match up with the design, we want all of the letters capitalized. So we're going to use uppercase. So let's add this property in Chrome. So again, I'm going to click on the last value, hit tab, type text transform. I'll hit tab to complete the autocomplete, and we'll select uppercase, and I'll hit tab. Okay, this made a huge difference in aligning our HTML with the design. Now that everything's capitalized, we can see some of the differences between the shapes in the design versus our HTML. Specifically, it seems like we could reduce the weight a little bit, so let's try that. So again, font weight is the property that we want to adjust. And let's switch this back to 100. So it seems like the weight of our design is somewhere in between the 100 and 400 or 500 mark. But it feels like the spirit of what's trying to be conveyed is simplicity and elegance, not to get too deep here, and the thinner weight seems to convey this a little bit better to me. This is one of those points where it's sort of up to your discretion as a front-end developer how you want to interpret the design. The good news is that as we start to convert more of the template, it will become clear if we've made some choices that don't align with other design elements on the page.